being of our community. Our duty extends beyond medical treatment. It encompasses prevention, education, and advocacy. As medics and health workers, we play a critical role in safeguarding lives, promoting healthy behaviors, and preventing disease outbreaks. The community engagement part, our connection with the community is vital. We must actively engage with local residents, listen to their concerns, and address their health needs. By fostering truth and empathy, we can create a healthier, more resilient society. Health equity and access part, every citizen deserves equal access to quality healthcare. Our mission is to bridge gaps and ensure that healthcare reaches every doorstep. Let us work tirelessly to eliminate disparities and provide equitable services to all, regardless of socioeconomic status or geographical location. And the preparedness and response, the ongoing and just we have come out of the pandemic, which has highlighted the importance of preparedness. We must remain vigilant, ready to respond swiftly to any health crisis. Our ability to coordinate resources, disseminate accurate information, and implement effective measures is crucial. The public health advocacy. We are advocates for public health policies. Our voices matter in shaping decisions that impact the well-being of our fellow citizens. So let us do these evidence-based practices, raise awareness, and advocate for robust health systems. And the collaboration and teamwork, no battle is won alone. Our strength lies in collaboration. A lot of times I've told that I alone cannot do anything. You are my strength. So we are jointly a team with other health professionals, local authorities, community leaders. They are also come with us, cooperating us. That's why we can go further. Together we can achieve more, from vaccination drives to health education campaigns. And lastly, the innovation and adaptability. The field of medicine evolves rapidly. We must embrace innovation, stay updated, and adapt to changing circumstances. Whether it's telemedicine, digital health records, or community outreach, let us explore new avenues to enhance healthcare delivery. And in conclusion, I want to say, as health workers and medics, we are not just part of a system, we are the heart of our nation's well-being. Our commitment to service, compassion, and excellence defines our legacy. Let us continue to serve with dedication, knowing that our efforts contribute to healthier, happier India. And at the end, I should highlight some of our finished projects, which we could finish it in this 1 year. Like where you are standing, this new CMOH office, this is one of our finished projects. And you know all that new academic building of nursing training school, this is also started very recently. And new superintendent's office, new cancer care center, new histopathological center, 2 new BPHUs in Gorubathan and Pedong. I am very fortunate that all my 3 blocks, you also know that yesterday I have highlighted that 2 new BPHUs already completed, and in Rambi, which we have missed in 2022 when I was not here, and 23 also. And this year also there was no probability to get from state or central fund. But we have got it, we managed to have got it, thanks to our DM sir. He has the CSR project, he has sent it in CSR project and they have agreed. So Rambi has got 84 lakh rupees yesterday to prepare the BPHU. So 3 BPHUs in our 3 blocks. And Lava block is also we will construct this Lava BPHC. It's already in hand. So there also we will establish everything. The next is Recruitments of new accounts personnel for CMH office and public health manager for NUHM. It has give us speed up the processes, and so freedom from restricted pea oil, which we have I have faced on my first day. Fortunately, we have got freedom because of due to previous huge outstandings. We have managed to clear it out, and now we can get unlimited petrol in our requirements. So this is also a kind of freedom, independence, and new herbal gardens already many places. Our DMO is here. Ayushgram activities, it has already completed. You can see a garden here also in CMH office. New police outpost in district hospital, which was very much required. I have managed to complete it. Their policies are there. So this is the first time district hospital is getting this security, but long before it would happen. But next, better late than never. And more than 50 CCTV cameras are being installed now in our hospital, and some I have also given 5-6 cameras in nursing training school and college also. So new patient waiting shed and public address system, it is completed, just going to be started. So the patients will get a place where they can rest or they can wait conveniently for his turn to go to the doctor. A new I ward and roof of maternity ward, you know what the situation I have faced, just I have come here. Then the entire roof was damaged, but that roof is ready now. Yesterday I have signed the completion. And reconstruction of entire sewerage system in district hospital. This is thanks to our principal secretary, sir, who has just left our district, unfortunately, within 4 months. But within this period, he has given a lot. And sewerage system is also, which was a long pending issue, it is being cleared now. The new biometric system up to bedded PSC level, you know, it is already in function. So it has improved the attendance of the persons also. A new construction of Shepagao PHC. The PHC is already 75% completed. A new building is being constructed. And that place is very much needy persons are there. They need healthcare delivery. So Shepagao PHC, we have given doctors also. And water supply system of this CMH office, compound illumination and main gate and boundaries, these are also, we have completed. You can see this place is illuminated. We have only a small thing to be completed. The completion of quarters of administrative officers, they are now in the quarter. Fortunately, we could complete it. And the public health wing of CMH office is also completed. And now I will just, in a short, I'll tell that some of our upcoming projects, you know, almost, which are almost completed. Firstly, I will tell that we are going to most probably inaugurate the free dialysis unit of our hospital. It is, tentative date is 21st of August. If the authorities, DT authorities can come, we are 100% ready now, commissioning done. So from 21st August onwards, the free dialysis unit will run, 5-bedded dialysis unit will run successfully. And for SNCU, we are ready, just manpower we are not getting, but I am trying like anything. So I think very soon we can get a SNCU. And for NRC also we have got fund, the Nutritional Rehabilitation Center, that will very soon functioning in our hospital. The recruitment in 36 almost new posts in different departments, process already started, advertisement already given. You know, we are in the process, and I think within 1.5 months we can complete the process conveniently. And Rambi BPHU I've told already, and boundary wall of Rambi also. Yesterday, the fund sanctioned the boundary wall which was damaged last time. This will be newly constructed. We can newly construct this. A new buildingless PHC Algara and Joldhaka. Very soon we are going to start it. And extension of town feeder of electricity up to CMOH office. We are trying our best because there is very much interruption in electricity. So town feeder we are going to extend here. And Herbal Garden in CMOH office is already almost completed. In Model Ayush OPD in district hospital, it is going to be started. Any day it can start. We are ready, but the engineers are for some their problems. They are delaying, but I think any day it can start. And along with district hospital, the Mansong and Joldhaka, we will get 3 herbal gardens within this year, I think. And 2 yoga demonstration halls also. It's a very good news in Tista and Joldhaka. If not in Tista, then Rambi, but I am trying to prepare it in Tista and Joldhaka. And yoga demonstration hall, and other than that, 3 projects are awaiting your Ogilvy building. The total reconstruction of Ogilvy building will be done. Some water connection problem is also there. The files are about to be sanctioned. So almost this is a big list. It cannot end. We have endless works, but we have done already also many projects you can see. So we will try, and with your help, I will relentlessly try within this period, the next year, the coming year, we will try to grace our Bharat Mata by doing all these works. And in Health Kalimpong will be Swasth Kalimpong and Samriddha Kalimpong. So thank you all. With this thanking you all, I am concluding my speech. Thank you.